I take it you're going on a road trip soon. And as simple and straightforward that road trips seem, and for the most part are, there are still some things that you need to pack that you may not have thought of. And that's where I come in. Hey everyone, it's Troy from FlowFreely.com, and today I'm going over 5 things that you need to pack on your next road trip. Alright, without skipping a beat, let's get right into it. The first thing is a cooler. Now I know that might seem obvious, but I've been on plenty of road trips that we didn't bring a cooler. We didn't really bring any snacks of any kind. And this cooler doesn't have to be like one of the big ones. It can be a little mini cooler as well, depending on how many people are going with you. Just throw a little ice in there, maybe an ice pack, pack a few drinks, a few snacks that are properly packaged so that they don't get soggy sitting in there with the ice and drinks. And packing stuff in a cooler beforehand can actually save you a pretty decent amount of money. You'd be surprised. So if it's a long road trip and you continuously stop at gas station, the snack bill is going to keep adding up and adding up. Alright, so the second thing you need to bring is a car trash can. Now typically how it's always worked for me is that we'll use one of the plastic bags that we got from the convenience store and then just throw all the garbage in there. But after a while this becomes a little not practical and trash just ends up everywhere anyway. And once you get to your destination, the last thing that you want to do is clean out the car. Anytime I'd go on a road trip with my family, we'd arrive at the hotel, I'd be all pumped up, like ready for the beach and all that stuff. I'd get out of the car, I'd run to the hotel lobby. Before I got too far though, my dad would be like, "Get your ass over here and help me clean out this car. Where do you think you're going?" And I was like, but see, if you had a nice car trash can, Amazon affiliate link in the description, go pick yourself up one while contributing to me. You won't have to worry about it. You just take that thing, dump it out, and you're good to go. Alright, and the third thing, if you don't already have it, is a car air freshener. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not a big car air freshener kind of guy. I don't know why, but they make me a little nauseated to smell. I just like the natural car smell. But you know what I hate more than car air freshener smells? The smell of my stinky ass friends that I'm road tripping with. Now granted, they're clean people, but sitting in that tight container for hours on end, it gets a little stuffy in there. It gets a little unpleasant. And you can't really roll the windows down when you're going 80 down the highway. But you won't have to worry about that if you have a car air freshener. Heck, even put a bottle of Febreze in there. I don't care. Anything to get the smell out. Alright, number 4, downloadable media. Now I know what you're saying, but Troy, you can't pack downloadable media. It's a file, not an object. And you're right, you got me, sue me. But you need to make sure you have it. And I'm not just talking about music playlists, I'm talking about podcasts, audiobooks, comedy stand-up routines. Things that offer you a wide variety of entertainment. Because I love my taste in music, but after a couple hours I get bored of my playlist. It's nice having things to switch to break things up. Alright, and the 5th and final thing that I recommend is to bring a hygiene kit, also known as a DOP kit. There's another Amazon affiliate link in the description. It's one of my favorites, I think it looks badass, and it never hurts to have one, especially in this scenario. It's just something to keep in the car. You know, something that contains the emergency hygiene items. You know, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, maybe a microfiber towel. You never know when you're gonna need one of those. Chapstick, cologne, maybe even some wet wipes or something. So that way you don't have to go digging through all of your luggage to find your hygiene stuff. You know, you can keep this one in your glove box, so if you stop at a rest stop after like an 8-hour drive. So if you stop at a rest stop, you can go in, freshen up, put it back in the glove box, and you're on the road again. Quick and easy, no fussling around with all your luggage. And speaking of quick and easy, why don't you scroll down and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload. It only takes a second, and that way you'll never miss one of my uploads so you stay up to date on all the latest travel tips, as well as leaving a like and sharing this video with friends so that they know what to pack on their next road trip. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.